Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something really cool to talk about, the AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5. These are ultra-quiet USB fans designed to keep your electronics and components cool. Stick around, and we'll explore all the features and benefits of these fans. But before we dive into the details, let's unbox the AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5 and share our first impressions. The AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5 is a fantastic solution for cooling various electronics and components. Whether it's your amplifier, gaming console, or any other device that needs cooling, these fans have got you covered. What sets these fans apart is their multi-speed controller. It allows you to fine-tune the fan's speed to find that sweet spot between optimal noise and airflow levels. Plus, these fans can be powered through USB ports found behind popular AV electronics and game consoles, making them incredibly versatile. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the noise level. These fans are designed with a focus on maintaining an ultra-quiet operation. The airflow CFM to noise dBA ratio is carefully balanced to ensure efficient cooling without disturbing your peace and quiet. You won't even notice they're running. One standout feature of the AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5 is the dual ball bearings. These little powerhouses have a remarkable lifespan of 67,000 hours. What does that mean for you? Well, it means these fans are built to last, and you can rely on them to keep your electronics cool for a long time. Plus, these fans can be laid flat or stand upright, depending on your setup. Quality matters, and these fans have got that covered too. They contain UL-recognized axial fans, which are a testament to their quality and safety. In fact, they received recognition under #E503903 in 2018 by Underwriter Laboratories, and you can find them in the UL Online Certifications directory. If you're worried about vibrations causing noise, don't be. The AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5 comes equipped with silicone rubber feet that absorb noise and surface friction. And here's a neat feature. If you're dealing with tight spaces, you can detach some of these rubber feet to reduce the overall height of the fans. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the specifications. Each fan measures 3.2 by 3.2 x 1 inch, and the total airflow capacity for both fans is an impressive 52 cubic feet per minute. And remember, the noise level is just 18 dBA, ensuring you won't even know they're there. Ready to keep your electronics cool and your space quiet? Check out the AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5 using the link in the video description below. If this review was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. That's a wrap on our review of the AC Infinity MULTIFAN 5. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a cool and quiet setup can make all the difference. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay cool. This is Product Critique, signing off.